So hello everyone, today I will show you live trading and how trade. I show you how trade today in the market. So today we will trade the CAC-JPY OTC market. It is a very good currency pair, and as you can see the market is very good position. And you can see that the market is in a downtrend. There are some green candles in the middle, but still it is a downtrend market because you can see that the pressure of the sellers is very high here. Okay, here we took a trade of $100 for down because you can see that the sellers are active a lot and the market is in downtrend. And one more thing, never go to the market analysis. First analyze the market, then take a trade. But while analyzing the market, of course, if you are in favor of the market, if you take a trade against the market, there will be more chances of losing. You can see that I have won the trade. I took the trade without going through the market, even though our entry point was late, but we won the trade. And it looks like a very strong candle is here. And this market is currently in a pullback state. At any time the market can reverse and go up, and the market can go down. So it can be very dangerous for us to trade here. So we will change the market and go to another currency pair and find a good entry point. So you can see this is the another currency pair, and this is a big red candle. That means there may be a green candle here now. So we wait a bit. As you can see, I took two $100 trades for the above, and I said there might be a green candle here. Now let me tell you in detail how I know there will be a green candle now. Look at the market. When you see the market going down and down, then a big red candle. If there is a red candle, then the pressure of the buyers is shown there, and their buyers become very active. So the next 2-3 candles are green candles, and the market is more likely to bounce back and go up again. As you can see, I won the trade, and it is a very good position. So always analyze the market before trading, then trade, and try to trade in good position. So that's enough for today. We will not trade again today because if you do over trading, this is a possibility of problem and loss. And guys, I give you a tip. Never over trading. Always analyze the market well before trading and get set a profit and loss target. For example, your balance is $1,000. You will take $100 trade too. If to profit, you will not trade today. And if there is loss, then you cannot fully recover the loss, but you will recover half and get out, because another biggest reason of loss, this is over trading. Many people don't follow these rules, so they eat tails. They only want to profit and profit, so they become proletariat. So never do over trading. If you like this advice, please subscribe our channel and stay with us.